AI tools in 2025 are like cheat codes for life, legal ones. In this video, I'll show you 5 of the best free AI tools anyone can use, even if your tech skills are under construction. No fluff, no jargon, just powerful tools that actually help. Let's go. ChatGPT. It's like Google. If Google had a personality and stayed up all night reading Wikipedia. Need ideas? Boom. You ask for 5 video topics, and it throws a brainstorm party in 3 seconds. Stuck writing? Type a prompt. And ChatGPT's like, let me write that for you, boss. You can even ask it for a joke. Though I can't promise it'll be funny. But hey, for research, writing, scripting, or just vibing with a robot, ChatGPT's a total game changer. Smarter. Ever opened Canva like, okay, design god, guide my hands, but then Magic Write enters the chat. You type one line, and boom, it's like, here's your entire campaign, boss. Next up, text to image. You ask for a cute coffee cup with a smile, and Canva's like, say less. Now you're just dragging stuff around like a design wizard. Drag, drop, done. Honestly, graphic design just got bullied, and the best part, you didn't even break a sweat. Canva AI, the real MVP for lazy geniuses like us. Okay, real talk. CapCut AI is basically an editing intern on caffeine. You toss in a clip, and boom, auto captions appear like they read your mind. Want to remove the background? No green screen? No problem. CapCut's like, snip, snip, background. Gone. Templates? They got you. Just drag your clip in and CapCut throws confetti on it like it won an award. It's fast. It's smart. It's like having a Gen Z video editor living in your laptop. Tool number 3, CapCut AI, making lazy look productive. Since, well, right now. Okay, Notion AI. It's like that one friend who's too organized, but somehow never annoying. You need to write something? Just type your prompt, and boom. It starts writing like it's been blogging since 2003. Want to plan your week? Ask it for a task list, and it builds one faster than you can say overwhelmed. Messy notes from that late-night brain dump? Drop them in. Notion AI will clean it up like a productivity fairy, and it all happens inside one app. Writing, planning, summarizing, all without switching tabs like a maniac. Tool number 4, Notion AI. For when you want to look smart without actually trying that hard. Ever wish your YouTube videos could just make themselves? Yeah, Pictory heard you. You paste in a script, and it's like, cool, here's your video. I picked the stock footage, added text, synced everything. You're welcome. You can even tweak scenes, swap clips, add voiceovers, no editing degree required, just vibes. Perfect for faceless YouTube channels, TikToks, or your secret anime review side hustle. And the best part, you made a full video without ever opening Premiere Pro Tool. Number 5, Pictory AI. Turning text into content so you can keep pretending you're productive. And there you have it, 5 free AI tools to help you create faster, smarter, and maybe even lazier. Drop a comment if you're trying any of these out. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss more tools that do the work for you. Catch you in the next one. Peace.